Hey guys, so we are going to be talking about our word study for this week. So we are doing week 6 suffixes. Suffix basically comes at the end of a word. A prefix is at the beginning and a suffix is at the end. So I feel like using pink this week. So I'm going to draw. I have 2 themes for this week. I have SION and TION. I am so sorry, y'all. I did not mean to sneeze. So I'm going to put as my title of my classifying map 9 week 2 week 6 word study. And so we are doing SION and TION. One of my favorite ways to remember it is SION, SION, SION says shun, like vision, illusion, confusion. But get ready for it, y'all. TION, TION, TION says shun, like nation, addition, question, education. That is how they're like the exact same sound. So that's why it's confusing. Because do you use TION or SION? That's kind of something that you're just going to have to memorize. Because there's lots of different ways that you can spell things, but you can't confuse your SION and your TION. So what we're going to do is make a classifying map classifying the 2 things. I'm going to do SION in blue and TION in green. And I'm just going to do 4 of them. And then y'all are going to do all of the rest on your homework or your word study work. Because I already know how to spell the words. But I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So let's look at SION. If you look, it's basically the right side of our list. So we're just going to write vision, VISION, and then I'm going to circle SION. Let's look at this one. Illusion, ALLUSION. Confusion, SION. And then let's do a different one, erosion, SION. Okay, now let's look at our TIONs. We have duration, TION. I'm going to box my TIONs. Let's look at education, EDUCATION. Box our TION. Vacation. We all need one of those. Vacation. TION. And then let's look at nation. ION. So what your spelling this week is going to be, you're going to classify your 2 words based on their suffix. Then your commonly confused words are here and here. I'm going to flip you over and I'm going to show you what the difference is. So I call my commonly confused words CCW. Commonly confused words. And you have here and here. They look super similar. So I like to think of it as here, I do an arrow on the R. Like I'm right here. It's a place or location. Now here, look at this. It has ear in it. That's my version of an ear. I'll even put a pretty earring on there for you. Doesn't look quite like an ear, but good thing this is writing and not art class, am I right? That means that it's a sound and it's something. SOMETHI. You feel with a 5 cents. So one of your 5 senses. So hearing, touch, taste, smell, and sight. You hear it. So it involves your ear. So what you can do whenever you are trying to figure out which here I'm going to be talking about in your sentence, just insert. Can I hear it with my ear, or am I right here? I'm going to have another little video for y'all where you'll be able to see another person dive deeper into it for you. Basically, that's just going to be a little more information so that you hear it multiple ways, and maybe one way will really resonate with you. So, your spelling test this week, 10 questions. 5 are going to be, is it S-I-O-N or T-I-O-N? So I'm put, choose the correct spelling of the word. Then, to me, 5 questions. Each one is going to have a word with either T-I-O-N at the end of it or S-I-O-N. You have to pick which one spelled correctly using T-I-O-N or S-I-O-N. Then, commonly confused words. I'm going to have 5 sentences. In your sentence, you are going to have a blank, and it will either be here or here. You're going to choose the correct one. That is all y'all have. You're going to fill in a cami where you do your little sort, and that is all I have for y'all. Thank you so much for paying attention and doing so awesome, guys. Bye.